Yo, you guys, it's Badger here. Today we are having a look at this stand. This is for the PlayStation 5, and it is supposedly to combine pretty much all you need for that. So you have the stand itself, where you're just gonna place your PlayStation on. Everything is easy to connect. As you see, there's like a nice outlining so it doesn't fall over or something. Then also in the front we have room to charge two controllers the whole time. They just fit in there quite nicely. These light up when they are connected, so that is also a nice and decent look. In the bottom we have some room so enough air gets in there and it's getting cooled. There's actually some coolers in there as well to keep um, yeah, the right temperature on your PlayStation. So all in all, definitely not a bad piece, and it is taking care of your PlayStation quite well. So if that's something you might be needing, check it out yourself, and I think we can call this a day. So until next time, bye you guys. My name is Badger, and take care.